Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and I just wanted to give a quick introduction to Howells Carpet Cleaning and explain how and why we are a green carpet cleaning company. Here in the picture in front of you, I've got four items set out on the counter here, and if you starting clear over on the left, what I have is a 2-gallon jug, and this is where I make up and put my cleaning solution. So each job actually gets a custom tailored cleaning solution made up specifically for the debris in the job. And next to our 2-gallon jug, we have this green labeled plastic canister by Master Blend. The product is called Soap Free, and it's more or less a cleaning grade baking soda. So if you know anything about baking soda, it naturally deodorizes and cleans, but additionally it's very green, it's mild, it's gentle chemical, and it's not going to cause any skin irritations with young children or pets. So it is a very good green carpet cleaning solution. And additionally, it's also gluten-free, so you could probably add it to your Cheerios in the morning too to clean out the inside of the stomach if you need to. Alright, so moving right along, the next two products that we have up there are both by Backaway. I'm going to start with the one with the blue label. It's called Detonator, and the detonator is basically a 20% hydrogen peroxide. So what we do is we make up a staple, base cleaner using the Soap Free, and then we add some hydrogen peroxide to it, and what that does is it allows some additional properties to the cleaning solution so that it can oxidize. Again, it sanitizes, and it also helps with the deodorization process. And then next to that is the Hot Knife Extreme, which is more geared towards oily, greasy sort of things that are found in the carpeting. So this doesn't get applied to every cleaning solution that we make up, but when there is, let's say, a dog involved, which may have some oils, the Hot Knife Extreme is a really good booster, I guess, to add to it, which it is 97 or 99.7% biodegradable, so it is very earth-friendly, green sort of cleaning, and it's not going to leave any residue in the carpeting, and again, no skin irritations involved with small children and pets. And of course, we have some various specialty spot removers and stain removers that we use. However, those are used sparingly compared to the pre-spray that actually gets put down in your carpeting. So this is what's doing the majority of the cleaning in your home, and it is all probably at least very close to 99.8% biodegradable, if not more. It is all completely green, it's eco-friendly, and it's going to have no impact upon the ecological system, because for those environmentally conscious consumers out there, this is by far one of the most green carpet cleaning solutions that could possibly be used in the home.